Okay, so how it is written? It is written single stroke. Okay, and stroke begins at the left above the line, so the top part above the line, and makes the rounded triangle. Okay, as you see, that's the right triangle, rounded triangle, and goes below. So the next part is below the line. Let's try that one. This. Okay, so if you connect this part or not, then both of them. Okay, so connected and connected Meem. And other forms. So in this one we started from here and went up there, but in this one we have to see we start from below and then go up. So that's if it's in connecting, if it's in the beginning of a word, in the middle, okay, and at the end, okay, or you can write it like this as well. Okay, so we can connect them. Okay, start like this. Okay, so that's the writing of Meem.